Sophie, a student at Fairmont North Tustin Campus. We're proud of our culture of excellence and the many opportunities for students to learn, grow, and succeed. Let me show you what makes Fairmont such an incredible place to be. At Fairmont, we don't just learn, we excel, like winning speech and debate competitions, or exciting science competitions like the OC Science and Engineering Fair, or the nationally recognized Thermo Scientific Junior Innovator Challenge. And students love the first LEGO League competitions and an exciting STEM learning experience where students practice confidence and teamwork skills. Speaking of excellence, did you know that Fairmont won the OC Parenting's Reader's Choice Award 10 years in a row? We're also big on giving back with projects like our successful toy drives, and it's October when our families show up to help our community. And check out our excellent new facilities, including an exciting new smart lab, broadcasting studio, and expansive performing arts space in Allison Hall. We've got everything to help students shine. Fairmont is where students thrive, grow, and achieve greatness. And that's why we're re-enrolling at Fairmont today. Re-enrollment is happening now. With so many reasons to stay at Fairmont, why would you wait? Re-enroll today.